How to Buy Stocks by Louis Engel and Henry R. Hecht. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. When you want to buy small amounts of a stock, it's called an odd lot. This used to be popular for people who couldn't afford to buy a full batch of 100 shares, but now it's not as common. The price of a full batch has become more affordable for small-scale buyers. Instead, people are choosing to invest in mutual funds. Odd lot trading makes up less than 1% of stock exchange volume. Another way to invest in stocks is through an accumulation plan. This allows you to buy stocks by the dollar amount instead of by the number of shares. It's like buying $10 worth of gas at the gas station instead of a specific number of gallons. I hope you found the information about How to Buy Stocks by Louis Engel and Henry R. Hecht. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.